In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a design to a folder in Canva. We'll walk through this process slowly so you can follow along, even if you're brand new to Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your designs organized by placing them into the right folders. First, open Canva and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, either create a new design or open an existing one that you'd like to organize. You should have your design open on the main editing screen, where you can see your canvas in the center and the toolbar around it. Now, look towards the top left corner of the screen for the File option. This is usually in the main menu bar at the very top. Go ahead and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your design, such as saving, making a copy, and other document settings. Within that menu, find and click on the Move option. This is the feature that lets you move your current design into a specific folder in your Canva account. When you click Move, a small window or panel will pop up, showing you a list of folders you already have, or giving you the option to create a new one. Take a moment to look through the list of folders. If you already have a folder that matches this project, like client work, social media, or personal projects, simply click on that folder to select it. This tells Canva where you want this particular design to live. If you don't see a suitable folder, you can create a new one right here. Look for a button or link that allows you to add a new folder. Give it a clear name that describes the type of designs you'll store there, and then select it. Using clear folder names will make it much easier to find your designs later on. Once you've selected the folder, confirm your choice. Canva will then move your design into that folder. You won't lose anything, you're just changing where it's stored in your account. That's all there is to it. By clicking File, then Move, and selecting the right folder, you can keep your Canva workspace clean and organized, making it faster and easier to find your designs whenever you need them.